By this hand. Okay guys, so here's the drone. Now we're gonna unbox together. Ooh. So আমি ফ্লাই মোড কম্বোটা নিছি কারণ এটার ব্যাটারি ব্যাকআপ অনেকটাও ভালো না, তো ফ্লাই মোড কম্বো ইজ ইম্পর্টেন্ট। সো লেটস tear it off. It was not satisfying DJI, but yeah, I got this. I don't know. Yes, now I know. Okay guys, it's DJI Carry Fresh. মানে আমার ড্রোন যদি ভেঙে যায় বা কিছু হয়, আই থিঙ্ক বাংলা টাকা যদি হিসাব করে অ্যারাউন্ড 3,500 টাকা দিলে আমাকে একটা নিউ ড্রোন দিয়ে দিবে ওরা। ইটস নাইস। ওকে, সো নাও okay, at first we're gonna have a look at this, the drone itself. Wow. It doesn't work. Yeah, but yeah, it feels sturdy. Obviously, I'm gonna how to take off. Okay, I'll have a look at it later, not now. Nothing here because everything is here. Okay, so here's the remote. DJI RC N3, yeah. I just checked if it's recording properly. First time in my life. So here is the dongles. Here is the left one. It feels premium because it is. Ooh, nice. Okay, what do we get more? The most important thing that we should not forget anytime, DJI screw. আমার যদি এই প্রপেলারগুলো চেঞ্জ করতে হয় এইটা লাগবে। এত ছোটোগুলা নর্মাল আউটসাইডে পাবো কিনা জানি না, বাট মোস্ট ইম্পর্টেন্ট থিং টু ক্যারি be here with the drone. DJI sticker, I already got one here for the camera when I bought it, DJI Neo. And yeah, now this time user manual guides and everything, and warranty card. Okay, so I'll keep it aside now. Okay, so this is the battery pack, battery charging hub I can say. So I got two batteries here. How should I take it out? This is hard. Yeah, so small. If I have a look at it, this is 8.6 volt, but how much milliampere? Okay, 1606 milliampere. So quite a small battery, but it will work, I think. Yeah, so the charge I have here, and the another third one battery is here on the drone. Yeah, yes. what we get more. So one cable for iPhone users. I don't like iPhones, I'm sorry guys. And this one to charge the remote, I think, yes. And I think another cable is here, yeah, to connect the phone. Exactly, yes. Do I have something else? Yes, I do. So I got only 2 propellers with a fly mode combo. Are you serious, DJI? And we don't get any bag either with the fly mode combo. This is not okay. So this is for now. So I'll set it up everything, then we will see you on the first flight. Okay guys, see you.